everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Trainer Pro. Today let's explore about the latest updates of CBSE. So big news from CBSE, there is a major update for grades 9 to 12 and you definitely do not want to miss it. In this video, I'm going to break down the brand new 2025 to 2026 curriculum, highlight and the key changes, and also I'm going to show you how to download the syllabus right away. Let's get into it. And why does this update matter? All right. So, why is this update such a big deal? Well, CBSE is focusing on making students future ready. They are moving away from rote learning and putting more emphasis on skills that actually matter. So, here are the three big changes. One is competency based learning, which we have already started doing that. Instead of just memorizing facts, students will focus on critical thinking and problem solving. The second point is real world application. Subjects are being revamped to include practical knowledge that connects to everyday life. And the final good news is reduce syllabus stress. Yes, CBSE claims that syllabus will be more manageable and less overwhelming. Let's see how that plays out. Now, what are the changes for grade 9 to 12? So let us break it down by grade. For grades 9 and 10, you will see interdisciplinary projects, some basics of artificial intelligence, and some updates in the max modules also. And I think you all must be curious about grades 11 and 12. It is more stream specific. And then science students will be getting more lab hours to do hands on experiments. Commerce students will learn about digital finance, which is pretty cool. And humanities students will dive deeper into case studies to make the lessons more interactive and become familiar with real life examples. And finally, here is the biggest change. Board exams will now focus on application based questions rather than just memorizing textbook content. That means you'll need to understand the concepts instead of just cramming up the content. Now, let us come to competency based learning. You must be wondering what exactly does that competency based learning means. It's about mastering the skills rather than just remembering the facts. Imagine creating your own science experiment instead of just copying notes or analyzing a real business problem instead of just learning definitions. Basically, exams will test your thinking process, not just what you have memorized or mugged up. So expect more projects, debates, and hands-on activities inside classroom, which is going to be very interesting and interactive. And right now, I'll be telling just how to download the syllabus which CBSE has released, the syllabus for the year 2025-2026. So the first thing you need to do is go to cbseacademic.nic.in. Once again, I'm repeating it, cbseacademic.nic.in. So click on curriculum 25-26 and then you will be getting this interface with one curriculum for secondary and the other one for senior secondary. Secondary will include 9 and 10 curriculum and senior secondary will include 11 and 12 curriculum. So when you open the secondary curriculum that is for grade 9 and 10, the interface will be like this. There will be initial pages and group L, that is languages, and then the main subject group A1, academic electives group A2, and subjects of internal assessment. Now, initial pages you need to actually open to understand about the introduction to the secondary curriculum, which consists of 43 pages. So when you open this, you'll be getting to know about the CBSE curriculum, important features of secondary education, languages, skill electives, and integration of all areas of learning. and also how to implement the curriculum also. Like this is more important for the school and the teachers, but then when the students also go through this, this will actually give a very clear about everything related with secondary education. So it has 43 pages. You can check everything here and you'll get a clear idea about secondary curriculum. So the next one is you can click on the next one, senior secondary curriculum. This is meant for grade 11 and 12. Again, this has initial pages and group L, that is languages, and then group A, that is academic electives, and finally the subjects of internal assessment. So when you open the languages, you will get all the languages assigned here. These are all having links. When you click on the languages, that is group L, you'll get all the languages provided by the CBSE. When you click on any of the language, you will get the complete detail about the syllabus of that particular language. And the second one is academic electives, which is group A. Here you have all the important academic subjects. So whichever subject you want, when you open it, you'll get a clear cut idea about the syllabus and how to go about it. All those things are included. Finally, the subjects of internal assessment, which includes health and physical education, work experience, and general studies. Right now, the work experience and general studies are under construction, so this page will not be available, but then health and education page will be available. So this is how you can actually open it and download your subject. Whichever stream you have chosen, you can download it and keep it safe with you throughout the session. I would like to share some tips to get started. That is, start preparing now itself, go through the topic that have been removed to save yourself some time. Teachers, it's a good idea to adjust your lesson plans to fit these changes. And students, let me know in the comments, are you excited or a little nervous about these updates? You don't have to be nervous. Reason being, the syllabus is free of stress. Why? Because reduced syllabus actually gives you more time to do real study for the remaining topics. Finally, wrapping up, if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CBSE updates, and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any important announcements. And let's ace this session together. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching and bye bye. Take care.